Really? But Huckmar, is it Chalilia versus Justin Holbrook?
Yes, Your Honor. I am plaintiff Muthukumar Chellaya.
I am here.
Mr. Holbrook,
Yes.
you're here? All right. Pardon? Oh, I'm sorry. And there's also last name Kumar, I guess, Natija Kumar and Regis Kumar. This is a termination.
Before the music even starts, understand this. This isn't just a routine eviction hearing. This is a family dispute that spirals into accusations of property damage, financial loss, emotional manipulation, and control. A homeowner claims he's losing tens of thousands of dollars while trying to sell his house. The defendants say they were blocked, pressured, and even threatened while trying to move out. And as this case unfolds, the judge is forced to balance legal procedure with raw family conflict. Stay with us, because what begins as a termination case quickly turns into something far more explosive.
Nation case.
I'm here.
All right. What's going on?
I'm Nityaja.
Your Honor, I have given them enough time to vacate the house. I'm looking for the possession, trying to sell the house. They started moving like 6 months ago. Then they didn't do it. I even paid them for moving supplies, truck, and storage. And they asked for a week last week with the other judge, but they haven't done anything for the whole week.
I've been busy with work. I'm the only one that's been able to move anything. I was supposed to go down there today, move some things. I just haven't had the chance all week. And we don't have much left. We've been moving stuff out for a while, but that was due to a mold report that we have gotten back. We weren't able to live in the home. So we started to move our things out, but then our items in the basement got damaged. And we were told through him that we'll be receiving compensation for our items through the insurance company, even though we didn't have renter's insurance, but we are his family. So we were told that we were going to be getting compensated for our items. So that's what took so long for us to move all of our items out. But at this point, we just really have things in like the garage and the pool barn. It's a 10 acre.
So we're gonna have all of that out.
I'm trying to take one more trip down there because we currently live an hour away. So I have to figure out the best ways to get down there and when I can and to make a trip. So I'm trying to do like one more trip. I'm either
Can
going
you
to
be out by the end of the month?
Yes.
And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to adjourn this matter out June 30th. I'm going to indicate defendants to move out by then.
Your Honor, may I ask if we can have...
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to ignore you. Go ahead, ma'am.
No, it's okay. I also agree. We will be moving our stuff out. All we have is small items in the basement in the pool barn. I have not had a chance to be able to go get it as well. Is there a way I can get a 1 week extension? Because I do have work that whole week. So if we can maybe do sometime in July, just so I have an opportunity to get my items.
Plaintiff, you have a problem with me giving a date in July?
Your Honor, I've been trying to sell the house for a whole year, and I had 2-3 potential buyers walk away because of their behaviors, irresponsibility. And I have a buyer to close the house today. I had
okay, so
last.
Hold on, folks. Sir, whose father are you?
Nityaja.
That's your dad?
Yeah.
You don't want to give your daughter another week into the July?
No, sir. I have a potential
Really?
buyer. Walked away a couple times already. I lost $35,000 more deal. I put so much money for this house. They paid nothing. And I put her through college. And like I I had a closing date last week. I have closing. The buyer is ready to close today. I don't know if they will still stick around or not. I lost so much money. Like, I am also living an hour away, coming here, taking care of the house. I am not able to maintain. All the left in the garage and barn is the trash from last year. Animals getting in
Really?
there, tearing
Really?
apart.
Your Honor,
Yes,
Your
sir.
Honor, we've been told that we've had to leave the property and stop packing up our items because he's been showing the house, and this has been happening for months. I've been on like we've not been noticed, been notified, and he's just been bringing people there. We've had birthday parties, and he's used that as excuses, and people have came there and still tried to kick everybody out. And so that is the main problem. Every time I'm there trying to move my items out, there's somebody there. He comes there and he calls the police on me. He called the police on me for trying to take my pool because he was trying to sell the house with the pool. So every time I go there, there's been the issue on we have to leave early. We can't get as many things as we would like.
Okay. Here's what I'm going to do.
Your Honor, like,
Yeah.
he took the kitchen sink countertop from the basement that does not belong to him. It belonged to the house. He changed the locks on me. He took the lock box. He took the sale sign of the realtor. He broke into the house. They broke the drywalls in the house, took off, damaged the house so bad. The value has gone down so much. They smoking, kicked the house, bang, and damaged so much. Lost so much.
Sir?
Like, it's the worst house.
Sir.
Like, it's a very bad.
This is where eviction law meets real-world chaos. The plaintiff argues he has gone above and beyond, paying for moving supplies, storage, and even giving repeated extensions, yet the property remains occupied. On the other side, the defendants raise a mold issue, alleged insurance promises, and logistical barriers caused by distance and work schedules. Legally, none of those excuses override a court-ordered move-out date, but emotionally, the judge has to consider whether fairness still exists. Notice how the court pauses here, not to decide guilt, but to determine whether another extension would solve the problem or simply delay the inevitable. What would you do if you were the judge at this moment?
Sir?
I'm afraid to do
Sir.
more damage, sir.
Jeez, Pete. You all done now? So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do. Is it 7/7?
Sorry,
July 7th.
on July 7th, 9 a.m.
I'm going to indicate that the defendants say they're going to move. They'll be out. And what time? 9. So what I'm going to do, since you won't give your daughter another week to try to get it done, she's just asked for that to get the little things out. In honor of my daughter, I guess I'll give her another week. So we're going to go to July 7th, 2023, 9 a.m. You guys are to be out by that time. Sir, you are not to do anything to interfere with their moving out. You understand that?
Yes, sir. And like, they have been saying this, and my daughter said she will kill me before him. They are so bad like that. And he spoiled the whole
Did I tell you to
family.
keep talking?
No, sir.
I didn't
Sorry.
think so. All right. We'll see you guys on the 7th. Everybody have a great 4th.
Thank you,
Thank
Your
you,
Honor.
Your Honor. I appreciate it.
Look. All right. I have Tina and George Wagacy. All right.
Yes.
Where are we on this?
100% moved out.
Say again?
We have moved-
100%
Oh my God.
You're moved out?
correct.
Ms. Dyer? Is that your understanding?
Yes, they moved out. Yesterday, they were supposed to be out Tuesday. And
No,
they,
we were to Friday.
I'm talking, please.
I love these
Wrong.
family cases. No,
And,
you don't stop them from talking. This is my courtroom, not your house.
Stop.
My house.
Right.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. They moved out.
Yes.
What do you want me to do?
They still have stuff in the house. And they took the dog. They come in yesterday and they stole my dog.
That dog was given to me. I have a bill of sale.
No.
Yes,
Speak quiet.
from the owner.
Just wait till he says something.
Okay, so let me get this right. You guys moved out. There's still stuff there, and now there's a dog missing.
No, there's
Not missing.
nothing. The dog is my wife's. We have a bill of the animal. It was never my mother's.
Say, sir,
Okay.
the dog is chipped in my hand.
What kind of dog is it?
It's a Labrador.
Okay, so it's a real dog. All right. So let me just start with the property first.
Okay.
In terms of property, Ms. Dyer is saying that there are certain things that are there, but you
No,
guys are saying moved out. You don't want any of the stuff that may be yours or she
No.
thinks is yours, right?
No, right.
correct.
Okay. I don't know that there's a whole lot I can do about the dog. Somebody's gonna have to sue somebody else about the dog because that's not part of this case.
I didn't think so.
Boy, this is not right.
Oh, it's 100% right.
No, it's not.
Folks,
Okay.
if I wanted to be a family law judge, that's what I would have done. I really don't want to. This is my second one of the day.
Judge,
So here's what I'm gonna do. If they moved out, it's all been satisfied. Is there any reason I shouldn't dismiss the case, Ms. Dyer?
Judge, the dog is registered in my name and I've taken care of him for 5 years. This is my dog.
But
And through
not-
their claim, they're lying.
Excuse me.
Dog is-
She took care of him while I lived there for 5 years. No, she took it to the vet one time. So the dog is not hers. It's not even this case issue. I know. We are 100% moved out. And I know that's all you care about, Judge.
Well, no, I care about the dog. 'Cause I
Oh,
don't
well, the
think-
dog is mine.
You
The dog
guys
was
are,
given to
you guys
me.
are fighting over the dog. I don't think the dog ought to be with either one of you. So here's what I'm gonna do. If they've moved out, you filed a termination. That means this case is dismissed. It's gonna be dismissed without prejudice. If Ms. Dyer, and I'm not suggesting it, but if you want to sue for the dog, you're gonna have to sue for the dog.
I will,
That's not part of this case.
right,
So I can't deal with that.
okay.
All right?
You go
Thank
for
you,
it, 'cause
folks.
you will not win.
Sir, enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, too late. Court calls the case.
This is the turning point, and the judge makes it crystal clear who controls the courtroom. Family ties no longer matter. Emotions don't matter. What matters is compliance. The court grants one final extension, not because the plaintiff agrees, but because the judge exercises discretion in the interest of closure. But notice the warning: no interference, no harassment, no police calls used as leverage. And when the defendant continues speaking out of turn, the judge shuts it down immediately. This is judicial authority in action: calm, firm, and final. At this stage, every additional word only hurts credibility, and credibility in court is everything.
Your Honor, as soon as he gets settled, I'll ask him to unmute himself and state his name. Mr. Davis, if you could unmute and state your name and turn on your camera.
Simeon Davis, Your Honor. Are you the same?
All right, thank you, sir.
Yesterday? Excuse
I
me,
didn't hear.
are you the same attorney that came to see me yesterday? You look totally different.
Nope, that's me.
Couldn't be. No, absolutely not. You're not the same attorney that saw me yesterday. Well,
Yes.
maybe I could be incorrect. You don't look the same.
It was me.
Okay.
Um,
Do you remember what we talked about?
yes.
Well, this is nice.
Yeah,
I'm going to, well, I'm supposed to be going to,
Your Honor, Mr. Davis, let me handle this, okay?
okay.
All right, good.
Your Honor, I had a
Now,
chance to,
What are we doing?
Judge, I had a chance to speak with Mr. Davis and Ms. Broden and with Mr. Dowd, who I think would be the bind-over attorney on these matters. We're looking at a global, perhaps, specialty court resolution in this matter. I'd ask you to adjourn this 2 weeks so that we can continue working on that.
Okay.
All right. Did you want the 25th or?
Does the judge know that I've been locked up here for 7 months in max? And I've been on suicide over 20 times and my life is in danger here at this facility? That I had my grandmother died as well as my great aunt, and I'm like really going through breathing periods.
Mr. Davis.
A couple 30 days.
Judge Simpson's aware, I think familiar with the process of this case.
I am, and I'm also aware that there are 9 charges pending. Just so that we get all that on the record.
I couldn't hear you, excuse me.
So I'm aware of everything that you just said, but also would just add that there are 9 charges that are currently pending.
Okay,
So they're trying to work through to get them all together. I don't want to talk, Mr. Davis, I don't want to talk about the charges because anything you say could be used against you. So I'm not going to have that conversation with you.
Okay, because they told me.
Your counsel has indicated that he is trying to do a global resolution for you, which at least on the face of it, from what I'm looking at, makes sense.
So I'm going to.
So, okay. And again, Mr. Davis, I'm not arguing with you.
No, because the gentleman yesterday said I was going to mental health.
No.
Well, the gentleman yesterday is the same person that's here. I don't know what happened.
So I'm not going to mental health.
I've known Mr. Gaddy a long time and he doesn't change forms. Mr. Gaddy, how much time?
Mr. Davis, please stop it now.
No, he was a lot better than you. He was not bigger than you. He was older than you. He had a mask. He definitely wasn't you when he told me I was going to mental health.
Okay, I don't want to go into what we discussed yesterday. Judge, March the 25th will be fine.
It works for the
Why
people.
are you? I would like to see the same attorney that I saw yesterday that mentioned mental health court.
Okay, one more word, I'm cutting your mic. May 25th, 2023, 9 a.m. Bond will continue in these matters.
And what is
Thank
the
you.
bond, Your Honor?
Thank you.
What
One
is
more
the bond, Your
word.
Honor?
Cut his mic.
In the end, the legal outcome is straightforward. The defendants vacated the property. That satisfies the termination request. The case is dismissed without prejudice, meaning the court leaves the door open for future civil action if needed. The dog dispute, while emotionally charged, falls completely outside this court's jurisdiction and must be handled separately. This ruling reinforces a core legal principle. Courts resolve the issue before them, not every conflict between the parties. If you found this case as intense and revealing as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.